it. Y'all can't ban it. Made out like a bandit. They've been trying hard just to make us all vanish. I suggest they put a flag on a whole nother planet.
Hey guys, it's Erika and I'm back with another video. Not only am I back with another video, but I'm back with an all about my hair video. I know some of you guys really like these videos, so I'm gonna keep doing them, and I really like these videos, so I'm gonna keep doing them. When I first got my hair done, I did not like it, and now I really like it. Don't tell my aunt. Shh. My aunt did it. My aunt Catherine. She did my hair. You guys have seen her. Not yet, but you will in the vlog, my family vlog that's gonna come up. She did my hair. What we did to my hair was we braided it back, straight back, in even sections. So like 8 braids or something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 8 braids. And so there's 8 braids going back, and then in the middle it stops being 8 braids and you connect 2 braids each. So 2 braids, you connect them, and then you keep braiding down so it turns into 4 braids. I'll attach a video that I learned that from down below. So yeah, you get it. It's like 8 braids until halfway, and then it connects, and then it's 4 braids all the way back. And then at the bottom, I connected all of the hairs together to braid them up. Well, I didn't, my aunt did. And then these crochet locks, my aunt already had, so I don't have the packaging, but this is about, I want to say 3 packs. Like 2 to 3 packs. I still have hair left over in a plastic bag. This is at your local beauty supply store. I have 2 different colors. This blondish, it's like a brown to blonde color. This one right here is different. You see, it's like blonde all the way through, and then it has like these little curlies. That's cute. It comes in the same box as these ones though, I think. And some of them are just darker than, some of them are just black, brown. Some of them are light brown. That's my hair. I don't know what else to tell y'all about it. I oil it when I go to sleep almost every night. I haven't washed it yet. I've had it in for a month, or maybe almost a month. I'm going to be keeping this hair in until the end of September, and then I'm going to be changing my hair for homecoming. This hair goes for about $5 a pack. That's what it says online, $5 a pack. And yeah, as I said, I used 3 packs, 2 to 3 packs, 3 to 4. I don't have that much of a big head, but like I got a big head face wise, but not a big head head wise, like hair wise. So it didn't take a lot. The upkeep, I usually sleep with it up in a bun on the top of my head. I do wear my hair up sometimes, but my hair is like been here for a month, so there's like a lot of hair showing right here. But I do wear it up sometimes. I do wear it up in like a bun sometimes. I don't really care. When I want to wear it up, I just wear it up. Don't care about what the back looks like, but I'll show y'all. I don't wear it with a headband all the time. So yeah, that's just, this all about my hair is very quick. These are crochet. She did not have to twist them in individually. It took about, I want to say, an hour to do. Maybe an hour and 30 minutes. I had to wash my hair beforehand, and then she did this. She braided everything and then crocheted everything in. I did not do anything because I can't braid. And yeah, I like them. Do you like them? As I said, please don't tell my aunt that I like them, because I'll never hear the end of it. Oh, I'll tell you guys why I didn't like it in the beginning. At first I didn't like it because, I don't know, it looks very, maybe I wasn't used to hairstyles looking so natural. When I came home with my hair done, my mom didn't even notice I got my hair done. She didn't say anything. She opened the door and just let me in, and I thought that meant she didn't like it because she didn't say anything. So I thought that meant she didn't like it, and then I already didn't like it. So I was very like, no one likes my hair, I need to take it out, what am I gonna do next? But I can't take it out too soon because I don't hurt my aunt's feelings. And then I ended up really liking it. Like right now in this camera for this video right now, I think it looks real cute with this makeup and this shirt. I have a couple of pictures of it on my Instagram. Here, my Instagram is Erika_Ayana. Find it, double tap it, comment, say you came from this video. If you guys have any questions on this hair, I have not washed it, so I can't answer what it looks like when I wash it. It's kind of frizzy and messy, but you know, that makes it look more natural, or at least that's what my aunt said, and so I believe her. In this camera it looks kind of good too. Yeah, I did like it. It was just kind of like really different for me. Usually when I do different, it's like long braided hair, not all the way down here, but like here, or like twists or straight hair, you know. Maybe I got used to like the wigs and stuff. But this is really cute. And it's a change, and a lot of people like it. I don't know, I haven't really heard, no one's really told me that they don't like it. I'm sure there's someone who doesn't like it, but at this point I don't care. I don't really care a lot when other people don't like things that I do, because I know, like, I know my uncle and like my dad sometimes doesn't like my colored hair. I love my colored hair, so I don't really care if you guys, I mean, not that I don't care if you guys like it, but like if you don't like it, you don't need to comment it. Just don't get it. That's okay, it won't hurt my feelings. If you do like it, you can give this video a thumbs up, and that way I'll know you like it, and I'll probably bring it back next summer because I have some hairs lined up to do, some hairstyles lined up to do, but like, or next spring, something like that, shake it up, spice it up, I'll do something like that. So like this video for more all about my hairs, comment down below anything you want, honestly, and share this video, subscribe, don't forget to come back. Bye guys.